This driver in Russia was aggressively cut off by a silver Ford, forcing him to slam on the brakes. What happens next is absolutely insane. The furious man stormed out of his car and approached the dashcam driver's window, but was immediately hit with pepper spray. In agony, he reached for a metal stick. In the end, the dashcam car drives off and no one got hurt. In the second clip, we see a biker enjoying a peaceful sunset ride when suddenly a white van appears, dangerously attempting to overtake him at close range. Fed up, the biker smashes the van's mirror. This enrages the driver, who then tries to block and stop the biker. Thankfully, no one was harmed. In the next clip, we witness a Karen completely losing it after being provoked by a biker. The biker was simply riding home when in his parking lot he encountered the neighbor Karen with her child.
What happened? What'd you say?
You need to slow down and race in and out of here all the time. Please. You can't race in and out of the parking lot.
I'm not racing, it's a loud engine.
What happened next had me crying with laughter.
You keep this up with that motorcycle. You keep it up with the motorcycle. You keep that up, okay?
Okay, call it.
Slow the down.
Call the police, go ahead, please.
Slow down with that motorcycle. In and out of here.
If you're enjoying the video so far, please hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let us know in the comments what car or bike you drive. This guy randomly threw an axe at the biker recording the whole thing. He wanted to cross the road, stopped in the middle, and his behavior is just ridiculous. Have you had any strange situation like this before?
Just cross the road, nothing happened, man. Nothing serious. What's going on? Just, oh man. Forget it, it's fine, man. You can cross, mate. Nothing happened.
In this fifth clip, we see a lady completely lose it after the biker told her not to put on makeup while driving. She recklessly chased him, ignoring honking and yelling from other drivers. At a gas station, she even called the police, nearly in tears, claiming the biker was harassing her.
Hey. Dude.
Despite the police telling her to back off, she kept circling and wouldn't leave.
So 911 told her to drive away from me, and now she's driving at me.
I'm not sure how it ended, but hopefully this Karen faced some consequences. If you want your clip to be in one of my videos, you can send it to the link in the description. Thank you. This next clip comes from Russia, where an ambulance trying to maneuver through traffic accidentally cut off a taxi driver. What happened next was wild.
Ля, что делаешь? О, ты посмотри, да полицию.
Слышь ты, урод!
The taxi driver stopped and tried to fight the ambulance driver, but thankfully some heroes stepped in and calmed things down. They handled the taxi driver a bit roughly, but it's safe to say he won't be trying that again anytime soon.
Ты посмотри, как вылезли все на скорую.
This man was practicing wheelies when a man with a dog and then a raging Karen tried to stop him. In clip 8, this biker gets cut off dangerously close when a black BMW pulls out right in front of him. In my opinion, this is the funniest clip of today's video, and you have to see the karma at the end. After the biker flips him off, the BMW driver loses it and pulls up alongside him.
Well, go on. Get the car then. Why are you putting it in front, bro, when I'm going 50?
A heated argument starts with the driver even threatening to run the biker over.
Look at that.
The biker decides to follow the BMW, and what happens next is pure gold. Stay till the end to see the funniest bonus clip ever.
Oh, roll down the window. What, you think you're bad? You think you're bad? You don't think you're bad because you got a girl next to you. You're gonna get fucked up, that's what you think.
The biker laughed like a supervillain when the tire of the BMW popped randomly. Maybe the girl was a bit too heavy. Just kidding. This next biker was riding at a normal pace when a red Opel dangerously overtook him, nearly causing a head-on collision with oncoming traffic.
What the fuck are you doing?
While the biker was going slow, that's no excuse for the driver to create such a heart-stopping moment. It turned out an old man was behind the wheel, and after he randomly stopped, a wild argument broke out.
You want to get back in your car? No. You want to get back in? No, I don't. I'm going like I'm supposed to. You're going all over the road. Can you tell me why you're doing it? Because I'm warming up my tyres. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. It does, because you're not driving like you're supposed to be. I can do what I want. I'm in my lane. I can do what I want. You can't. What? Oh, do something. Do something. I swear. Touch me. Touch me. I swear. To God. Touch. Hey! Oh, you're going to f***ing regret this. I'm going to smash your window. Get off, don't touch.
Things escalated quickly, turning into a full-on brawl, and even the police had to get involved. Now we've got clip number 10, where a reckless tailgater gets served instant karma by the police.
Why you think you need to ride my ass? That's fucking work, huh? Yeah. Jack it up.
In the next clip, a Karen in a white SUV dangerously passes this motorcyclist in the same lane. The biker isn't about to let that go. Bang! Bye-bye, mirror! This biker was being nice and let some kids rev his bike. To top it off, he did a wheelie for them, but that's when two angry men suddenly showed up.
What's going on, guys? Alright, my bad.
Don't let kids, my kids want to hear your throttle. Don't let kids do that, alright?
Alright, I got you. I'm just trying to be a good, you know, I can get
Take it out of here real slow.
Alright, I got you, man. Can I go? Alright, sorry, man.
If you want to see the full, unedited clips, check out the video description where you'll find links to all the original videos. In the 13th clip, a motorcyclist overtakes a slow-moving white van and flashes the middle finger at the elderly driver. The old man didn't take it well and started chasing the biker through the neighborhood. Things escalated when the van driver called his son, who showed up out of nowhere. Moments later, the biker confronted the old man, and suddenly the son arrived in his white car, leading to a shocking turn of events.
You can leave me alone, mate.
Well, why you made a finger? Come around me. That's my son. You're talking about.
I will give it to
Unfortunately, I can't show the punch that followed, but the police were called.
He's down there on Tottenham Road.
full cops now.
This Jeep driver tried to run the biker off the road, nearly causing a crash. The biker, furious, completely lost it and decided to teach him a lesson.
Come on. Now you looked at me and then you come here.
Oh, we both went.
We both went. You're on your lane, I'm on my lane, and you still cut me off.
In his rage, he even directed his anger at a woman nearby.
Get out the car. You better hope another biker doesn't get you, bro.
In this next clip, two bikers riding together come across a car stuck on the road. What an unexpected and amusing moment. Instead of leaving him stranded, they decided to help out, pushing down on the rear end of the car. What an inventive idea.
Oh, wow. Holy cow.
A little bit more. There we go.
Oh,
A little bit. All right, stop. Are we out of ditch yet?
that is incredible.
This biker was harassed by a guy at night, and what happened next was wild. They ended up play fighting, and it turned into a surprisingly funny moment. Thankfully, no one got hurt. Now we come to clip 17. A doorway cam captures a car hitting a red pickup truck and then fleeing the scene. A driver with a dash cam pursues the hit-and-run car. Fortunately, the car in front of the fleeing vehicle spots it and manages to bring it to a stop.
You hit my car, my truck, I'll smack you. Get away, get away. Who's gonna run you over?
A neighbor tries to confront the driver, but he manages to escape. In this next clip, a young biker rides past cars waiting at a traffic light and positions himself at the front. Although he did nothing wrong, the driver behind him gets extremely angry. When the biker flashes the middle finger, he finds himself in a wild chase. Once they come to a stop, a heated argument breaks out, and it doesn't end well.
Dude, what's your problem? What's your problem?
The fact that you're right in front of my car like that and I can't move.
You can
and then you give it all this.
It's called
and look at you. Look at you.
Cyclists are allowed
Look
to
at
do
you.
that. Have you got problems?
I've got
Seriously,
blade.
go away.
Touch me again.
Can you go away because you're freaking me the f out? You! Ah, are you serious? Mate!
In clip 19, a biker gets cut off by a red bus at night. Upset by the bus drivers honking, the biker steps onto the bus.
It's raining, you have no right to pull out. No, you have no right to pull out like that. Why did you... What are you doing?
In a shocking turn, the bus driver closes the doors and essentially kidnaps him. The biker hits the emergency stop, leading to a confrontation with the driver who won't come out.
Step out! Step out!
Things escalate further when the biker opens the back of the bus and throws a trash can at the bus's engine. This is one wild road rage clip. You have to see this last clip and the bonus clip after. A biker in Russia told a woman to stop, but she refused to open her window. Instead, she drove over the biker's foot, which made him completely lose it.
Что за хуйня?
What a wild moment.
А нахуя ты меня подрезаешь?
The woman called the cops, but I usually skip that part.
Oh, bro, first time I see the cyborg!
I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and comment on which clip you liked the most.